If you'd waited till the middle of July to plant anything in the garden, it's okay. There are so many things that you can plant. But the first thing you're going to have to do is fix your soil. Today we're going to be talking about fixing your soil. And if you have dry, hard soil and needs to be fixed, this is the video for you. Come along on our journey today. Hey, and welcome to City Homestead Living. I'm Tammy, and today we're going to be talking about fixing your hydrophobic soil. If this is you, stay tuned and we'll show you how. If you have garden beds, either in ground or in containers, that do not want to mix with water, they would rather repel the water where it sits upon the surface of the soil or doesn't get down deeper than just the first couple of inches, then you have what's called a hydrophobic soil, such as what's in this bin. I have soaked all of my other bins multiple times and they're all doing really well. We had a very hot snap and it was too hot to put my seedlings in the ground. I was afraid of losing all of them. So the soil got very hard, and so we are fixing that, amending it today. I'll leave a link in the iCard or in description to our old-fashioned fertilizer video. We're going to use compost, rabbit manure, and also we are going to use water. What the water is going to do is you're going to soak it for several days on end, because its natural inclination would be to find the easiest path out of the container, and that means it will go find the weep holes that you have in the bottom and just pour out rather than mixing with the soil. And when you have something like this, as you can see, it's hard as clay down below the moist earth of about 2 or 3 inches. And then when that happens, you have got to water. And I know some people are in a drought situation and that might not be a good possibility for them, but in our area we've had an abundance of rain this year, and so we are going to soak them quite thoroughly to make sure that they're all incorporated before we plant our seedlings. It's not too late to plant, and we'll give you another video coming up to talk about late planting in the garden. Gardening is not just for spring, it's an all-year thing in many different forms. If you have stayed through our entire video, thank you so much. Be sure to like and subscribe, hit that notification bell, and share our video on your social media. Sharing our video is the fastest way that you can help our channel grow. And as always, happy homesteading adventures.